Hi there, Kazi here, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how to fix Discord no root RTC connecting. So let's get started. First of all you're gonna do is simply go and tap on this little gear icon, which is user settings. You need to tap on that, and then from here you need to find out the voice and video option, and then scroll it down to the bottom, and then from here you need to select reset voice settings. You need to select that one and simply go with the OK. So it will just restart your Discord, and that should be it. So that's how you can solve the issue of Discord no route RTC connecting. And another thing, if you are owning a Discord server like I have this one, so if you're getting this error in the Discord server, then all you're gonna do is simply go with the voice channels settings. Like here is the edit option, so you need to go to the settings like this, and then from here you need to scroll it down, and then from here you need to see the region override. So basically it will be selected as automatic. Then you can just play around with these options, then it should be all right. Like it is now automatic selected as automatic, so I will select the India, save changes, and again I will choose the automatic and save changes. It should fix your issue. All right, so that should be it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Peace out.